Hi everyone, my name is Deliana and welcome to my channel. During this flu season and coronavirus outbreak, we need to boost our immune system. Therefore, today I'm making fresh juice that will boost your immune system. It will hydrate you really well. It is anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and it's a great antioxidant. It is also a good source of vitamin C. I named this recipe a Green Paradise Boost because it actually tastes really good. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and click on the little bell notification so you can get notified next time I upload a healthy recipe. I will be sharing the ingredients with you throughout the video. However, if you're looking for a list of the ingredients, please go ahead and look in the description below. I'm also including some helpful links to the products I used. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We need 1 large cucumber, about 8 celery sticks, 1 lemon, 2 apples, 1 mint stem, and 1 garlic clove. We're ready to start. First, let's slice the lemon, about 3 even slices. We need to slice it because we will juice the lemon with the skin. Next, slice the apples in half. It should be good enough for the juicing. And slice the mint as well. We can slice the celery in 3 even slices. So this will allow us to fit it in the juicer. And also slice the cucumber 3-4 even slices so we can fit that into the juicer as well. The juicer that I'm using today is Cuisinart, and I will include a link to the product in the description below if you're interested. First, we will juice the cucumber. You may need to slice the cucumber in smaller pieces to fit it in the juicer, depending on what type of juicer you have. Cucumber is highly alkalizing and hydrating, and it's really rich on nutrients such as vitamin A, C, and K, and magnesium, and it helps to cleanse and detox the body. So that is why this is my main ingredient in the detox boost. Next, we will juice the lemon, and again the lemon will be with the skin because it adds additional flavor to the juice. And the lemons, they're packed with vitamin C and they fight the virus. Next, we will add the mint and the garlic. Mint facilitates smoother digestion. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to smooth the mucus. It's antiviral and antibacterial. And garlic is known to fight virus and bacteria. If you have a low blood pressure, take it easy on the garlic because it tends to lower the blood pressure more. And last, we will juice the celery. Celery is really good for you. It decreases inflammation. It's antiviral and antibacterial, and it eases the digestion. And you can see that we have already added the apple. I'm using an apple in this recipe for the sweetness of the taste, as well as because apples promote good gut bacteria. The juice is now ready. It's about 400 milliliters or 16 ounces, and we will transfer the juice to our favorite cup. And now we have prepared an immune system booster juice, which again I called Green Paradise Boost because it tastes delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you stay healthy during this coronavirus virus outbreak. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell so you can get notified next time I upload a great, delicious, and healthy recipe. Again, all of the ingredients are listed in the description below, along with some helpful links to the products. In the description below, you will also find links to our other social medias like Instagram and Facebook. We have a Facebook group that is growing really fast, and I would love for you to join us. See you next week, and I hope you stay safe.